What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Make sure you're subscribed down there. We're talking Cardano. Great start to 2023. Really, it's been a nice start for all of crypto, but Cardano, Austin, got down to some lows, man. It got down to 24 cents and reversed here, though, up to 33 cents right now. There it is.
24. Yeah. You were telling me it's like 24 cents. Sorry, 24% up on the 7-day. And I'm like, really? I hadn't looked at it in a little bit. I own it, which I'm like, that's good to know.
It had one day. So if you go to the 7-day outlook there, it had, see that big day right there? Go back a little bit right there on the 8th. It was moving, man. It went from like 27 cents all the way up to, right there, 34 cents. So yeah, it was same day that Solana moved up about 20%. We saw some big moves.
Yeah, but there wasn't now you're right. You're reminding me I've slept since then. There wasn't like an event though. There wasn't some piece of news. It's like, what's going on? Right.
Yeah. It was all of a sudden you had Solana and Cardano and a couple others. Lido DAO. Lido DAO has been crushing it too. That's an app on Ethereum. But yeah, with Cardano, nothing's changed for me fundamentally. I mean, they're still a great company. I think they're still undervalued and underappreciated. I really do. I was reading something since 2017, since their launch, they've been in or around the top 10 since 2017. And why is that significant? Well, this is their second bear market. They've been through the ups and downs of the market. They're still here, yet I feel like we're still so early to Cardano, even though it's been 5+ years since they've been out, right?
Yeah, and I don't really understand. I've never understood the polarizing scenario. I think it's like Cardano versus Ethereum and all that crap. I don't agree with that. I think it's, they're the blockchains are separate. They both do things well, and they both have their good and their bad and all that kind of stuff. And no one's perfect, but I mean, I own both of them and I like both of them for separate reasons, but I think Cardano has got I know the point of this video was kind of off to a great start in 23, 24% up, looks good. I mean, you had said this earlier, the FTX, here's what I'm asking you, I've heard you make this point where like a lot of that, no, it was Solana. That's what it was bringing those projects were coming over to Cardano, right?
So here's what happened. So FTX, we're kind of learning on the fly how much exposure FTX and really Alameda had to a lot of these top cryptos. We know they had a ton of exposure with Solana. That's one of the reasons why Solana really took a major hit. But from what we've read and heard, they did not have a lot of exposure to Cardano, which is good. And there's a reason for that because Cardano has its own blockchain and they're really like decentralized, right? So they're harder to manipulate. What did Sam Bankman-Fried want to do? Manipulate everything, right? Yeah. And so he was manipulating Terra Luna and Solana for sure. We know that. It's been well documented. But yeah, Cardano, they do things different. They're definitely different than Ethereum, different philosophy. That's why Charles left Ethereum. He started with them, but left. But for me as an investor, I don't have to pick a side. I think they're both going to win for different reasons, and I want both of them.
Agreed. Well, we're going to end there. I think that's a valid point. If you're interested in learning more about Clear, then links in the description below. Check them out. Get involved in their Discord. Lots of good stuff. The chart for Clear is looking really, really good. We'll go check it out, and lots of big stuff coming. So, as always, we appreciate you. Have a good one. See you.